In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit details and save them, as well as how to apply that credit when paying bills. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your finances smoothly and efficiently, ensuring that all your credit details are in order and ready for bill payments. Let's get started. First, let's talk about entering your credit details and making sure they are saved correctly. Begin by locating the appropriate platform or application where you usually manage your credits and payments. This could be a financial app, your online banking system, or a dedicated bill payment service. Once you're there, log in securely using your credentials. It's always a good idea to use complex passwords and, if available, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the section where you typically handle credit or account details. This could vary slightly depending on the platform, but you're generally looking for something labeled payment methods, credit details, or billing information. Once you find it, you'll have the opportunity to enter new credit information. Carefully input your credit card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address associated with the card. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with future payments. When you've entered all the information, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save, Update, or Submit button and click it to ensure your credit details are stored securely. It's essential to confirm that these updates have been made by checking for any confirmation messages from the platform. Sometimes you might receive an email or notification verifying that your credit details have been saved. This could be a handy record to keep. Now that your credit details are saved, let's move on to applying that credit when paying bills. Go to the section of the platform that deals with bill payments. Often this is found under Payments, Bills, or a similar label. Here you'll see a list of bills that are due or upcoming. Select the bill you wish to pay. When you're ready to proceed, choose the option that allows you to pay using a saved credit method. The system should present you with the payment methods you have saved, including the credit details you just entered. Select the correct credit card and proceed with the payment. Before finalizing, review the transaction details carefully. Confirm that the amount is correct, the due date is acknowledged, and the credit card information is accurate. If everything looks good, proceed to submit the payment. After submission, be on the lookout for a payment confirmation screen or email. This confirmation serves as proof that your bill has been paid, and it's wise to keep this for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully entered your credit details and applied that credit to pay a bill. With these steps, you can now manage your payments more effectively and focus on what truly matters to you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides.